Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Higher chance of rain for most of us today, so that should keep our temperatures a little bit cooler than yesterday. Seeing some rain already this morning across our East Texas counties, and this will continue to kind of slowly meander to the east today. We may not see a lot of rain in Arkansas and Louisiana, but eventually we will see a few of these showers develop, especially as we get into the late morning and afternoon. But your temperatures still pretty warm, 60s and 70s. We've got some cooler mornings and cooler afternoons on the way by the weekend as we have a couple more days of the warm weather. Right now we're looking at temperatures likely to make it into the 70s and low to mid 80s this afternoon. So we did have some areas hit 90 degrees yesterday, so by comparison it will be a little bit cooler, and that will just be due to the uptick in rain and cloud cover. So you can see our cold front is still parked just northwest of the region. We've got a lot of rain popping up in that warm air ahead of the front in south as well as central Texas here, and some of this will be scooting up and really affecting our East Texas counties through the morning today. Next 24 hours or so, you can see this dip in the jet stream here in the Intermountain West. That little dip is what's going to move across the country and finally nudge this cold front through late tomorrow and set us up with some great weather for the weekend. But what that means is we're probably looking at some rain today as well as tomorrow. So look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. It does slowly kind of push these showers to the east through the afternoon and evening. So I think eventually we'll get into the rain in Arkansas and Louisiana. It doesn't look to be particularly heavy today, and we do not have any severe weather threat, but we may see some lightning with some of the storms this afternoon. Here we go Friday. We're showing the cold front arriving midday. You can see those blue arrows. That's the wind shifting to the northwest. So actually it looks like the rain chance will be a little bit lower tomorrow as that dry air begins to make its way into the region, and still anticipate maybe seeing a corridor of 1 to 2 inches of rain here north of I-30. In fact, it's showing about 3 inches of rain in Mount Pleasant. Lower those totals the further south that you head. So again, no flash flood threat for us. Very kind cold front as it will bring us some of that fall-like weather this weekend. Prepare for some chilly mornings this weekend. The afternoons will be sunny and perfect. No humidity out there. It looks like the humidity and temperature is staying much lower next week as well. So it looks like fall arriving this weekend and here to stay for all of next week.